Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a post to liked in X. Adding a post to liked is a great way to show appreciation and bookmark content you enjoy. So let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Scroll through your feed and find a post that you want to like. Look for the heart icon located below the post. Step 3. Tap on the heart icon to add the post to your liked section. Once you tap the heart, it will turn red, indicating that you have successfully liked the post. By adding a post to liked in X, you can easily revisit and discover your favorite content. It's a handy feature to collect posts that resonate with you, whether they're inspiring, informative, or simply entertaining. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to add a post to liked in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.